How to delete TikTok messages from both sides. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete TikTok messages from both sides. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you might want to do is open up your TikTok. After you open up your TikTok, head over to Inbox. And on your inbox, you will notice different texts and DMs on your screen. Now what you'll need to do is simply head over to a single DM where you want to remove that very message. So what you can do is you can text, you can continue texting, no issues there. And now what you'll need to do here is that you will need to long press on the message that you just sent, tap on the delete option, and here you will see delete for everyone. Tap on delete for everyone if you want to remove the messages on both sides. Tap on delete for me to remove it only on your side. So tap on delete for everyone and there you go. So as you can see right here, messages can be deleted within 3 minutes after sending. So make sure that you're deleting it before 3 minutes. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. And that is all for the video too guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.